Kocaeli Archeology Museum. On the part here on the left is where some of the other panels and crosses are down that way. So from the entry there, and on this side here to the left, see these pillars, you see this area, not to come in this area. You can see back here, you can see cross panels. You can see there some crosses there, cross panels over here on the left. On the far left, you come by the wall and you can see a major cross panel, very thick, with some crosses there on that one. So. In this yellow building here is where they found a lot of statues from the garden area recently. Beyond this pipe here in this area here that's actually blocked off behind these two buildings, even up here on the right, there's a bunch of crosses, panels. Even back here in this section here, there's actually a bunch of Armenian tombstones. You can actually see them right there. Those stones there, there's a wall of them. There's about 7, 8, 10 of them. They're Armenian tombstones, written on Armenian there, so it shows that the Armenian background. Most of this area in the back behind this archaeological museum, as I said, most of the Christian history is in the backyard on the outside, and it's actually blocked off, not supposed to go to. But if you look on my blog, you can see some other pictures of those down there.